I'm Flagler County Sheriff Rick Staley. It's time for Fugitive Friday Bingo, New Year's Weekend Edition. I'm here with Corporal Weatherhold of our fugitive unit. Let's find out who we're looking for. Corporal Weatherhold, it looks like number one is going to wake up in the new year at the Green Roof Inn. Who is it?
Number one is Roderick Bonner. He's a white male, 55 years old, standing 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing 200 pounds. He is wanted for violation of probation of his third DUI in more than 10 years.
So this is a guy that likes to party, and then he likes to endanger you. He's been arrested 3 times for driving under the influence. Call us with your tips at 1-888-277-TIPS so we can put him in the Green Roof Inn so you can enjoy your weekend partying and not have to worry about a drunk driver like him. But here's another warning. If you're going out and you're going to drink this, call an Uber, have a designated driver, or you're going to join him in the Green Roof Inn to start out 2019. We will have extra patrols out to ensure everyone has a safe and fun weekend, but not so much this stuff. From the men and women of the Flagler County Sheriff's Office, we wish you a happy and safe New Year.